Okay, I'm just wondering if this is how this thing is supposed to sound. This noise is so annoying. You have to listen to this day in and day out. And I'm told that this is the defroster that's making this noise on this machine. No one in my neighborhood machine makes noise like this but mine. I'm out here recording it. I hope I don't get pneumonia. It's been making that noise for at least an hour. Now it just stopped. Now I don't know if the heat is kicking in the house, but I need to check. Now the fan has stopped spinning. Which here's the vent. The vent, when it comes on, blows cool air. I mean, I never seen one of the systems that blow cool air. It's like 30-something degrees outside and it's blowing cold air. But I'm being told by the landlord this is how this works.